This is quite the project we got going on here. It's a 38-foot bluff. We're gonna be terracing this 4 times. Got the forestry mower out there right now, cutting up along the water's edge just behind the wetland area so we can get the seawall put in.
I'll do a 360. Recording.
Pretty steep angle there. You kind of hang by your seatbelt. Got over 650 yards of dirt installed back here in 2 days. Chief is absolutely wore out. Right, Chief? So we're gonna go ahead and get all this filled back to the toe of the next wall. The next wall is gonna be 2 foot higher than the first wall. Well, actually, it's gonna start at a base of 2 foot higher than the first wall. So we're shooting the elevations on this wall right now. Then we'll subtract 2 foot off of that, come back in this area here, and see where it's actually a 10 foot elevation above sea level. We're gonna shoot that, get some stakes put in there, start driving some pilings. This is kind of what we got going on right here. Got the first wall that's already installed, which is right here. Now we're getting ready to get started on the second wall. Then we'll have another one, then another one, finally getting up to 30 foot elevation. Looks like we got some good white sand over here. Hopefully this is going to dry fairly easy. I don't want to really do any jetting on this hillside, so I'll dig it out a little bit and we'll install the pilings and go back with the sheets and start installing that in the tiebacks at the same time, hopefully, to prevent any avalanches on this hill, because it's pretty darn steep. I'm gonna leave all that vegetation in place. Stairs are typically, I think, on about a 32-degree angle, so you can kind of get an idea of what we're looking at with the angle of the hill. It's a little bit steeper than those stairs. When I was doing a little digging today, Hunter did a little maintenance on the barge. Looks a lot better. Got it wire brushed down and painted up. We got about 650 yards of dirt installed in here today. All the dirt's in. Went ahead and started excavating for the second wall going in. It's going to go right behind these live oak trees, which is going to look really nice. You can see, got the tractor back here now excavating. Going to go back past where the roots are so we don't disturb the roots at all. And probably about a 7-8 foot high wall right there. We'll be driving those poles in the morning. Waiting on a surveyor to get out here to mark the side property lines over here. I don't want to build a wall over the property line, so I'm going to get some definite marks where the property line is and get that side return walls installed properly. If you guys like what I'm doing here and you want to subscribe to the channel, I appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Either way, it's all activity to YouTube. It pays. And if you got a comment or question, please feel free to leave it in there, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. I'm getting a lot of comments, which I can answer those pretty quick on YouTube when I'm looking at it sitting on a tractor. I'm getting a bunch of emails also, so that takes me a little bit longer to sit down and do that because I'm out in the field all day long working. But I'll try to get your questions answered. Thanks.